Welcome to Wayne Tech Job Fair. Your interview is scheduled for conference room 52. Scan complete. Candidates recognized. Security access granted.
Good, you're here. I've been watching you since the minute you stepped into this building. You're all tech experts, but the world cannot survive on tech alone. It takes more than just the gadgets. It takes smart people using them to make a difference. People like you. So let's see what you can do right now. Welcome to the team. I'm looking into that chopper crash. Something about it seems off. And with the escape at Arkham Asylum, it can't be a coincidence. This isn't an explosive. It's doing something else. But what? I suspect it was the Joker who broke out of Arkham tonight, and this is the first step in a larger plan. I need to investigate the helicopter crash site to determine what that device can do, and you're coming with me. You'll be my air support. It's about time we gave this thing a real field test.